but I had to move from this to this. How did I do it? Let me show you. So the first thing that I did is to get the project that I was working on, and I duplicated it. So after duplicating it, I now went into the copy, right? And then I started looking for I started like deleting each transition so that I can see which one would give an issue. So I deleted this one, I tried to export, and it gave me that. So it wasn't the first one. I didn't stop there, I cancelled, I deleted the second one, I tried to export. The same thing happened, which meant that it wasn't the second one. I deleted the fourth one, and it was able to export, which means that the third one is the one that had an issue. So then what I did was I quit and I cancelled, and then I undid. I created undo delete, and then I went to the third one. I clicked on animations and I checked where the problem was. When I checked on it, I noticed that I had accidentally clicked on the flash in, as you can see. So basically what I did was I realized I have to now go back to the original one and change. So after this, I deleted this, and since I realized I had already fixed my problem, I deleted the duplicate. I deleted the duplicate. I went to my original video now. I went to the transition where I had noticed where there were issues. I clicked on I clicked on the first one, what was showing the Pro version. I clicked on just zoom in. You could choose anything as long as it doesn't have the Pro version, and I clicked on that tick, and then I tried to export it, and voila, my problem was solved. Well guys, I hope you learned something from this video, from the headache that I had, and if you have, please subscribe to the channel. It will help this channel to grow, and it will help the messages that I post on this people reach out more people. Thank you so much for today. Until the next time, bye bye.